Hello, Internet. Welcome to another one of Roy's computer tips and tricks. Today I wanted to talk about personalization and things to make using Windows 10 a little bit more user-friendly. They did quite a bit to try and make it user-friendly, but they went a little bit too commercial, right? They got too many little weird pop-ups. Sometimes that start menu is full screen, and it's just a little bit too much of a change. So I wanted to do a video on personalization. First thing that you may want to personalize is going to be the start menu. Couple ways to get there. You can right click anywhere in the middle of your screen. You can go to personalize, or the official way is the start button, the little gear here for settings, and then you go to personalization, and then we're talking about the start menu, so then go to start. Now, the first thing that I would suggest is doing exactly what mine shows here. Turning off everything except for Show App List in Start Menu. That will make your Start Menu a little less interactive, a little bit more focused, and a little bit more traditional so that you can see just the applications there. Additionally, I would like to mention that you can choose the folders that appear, and that is right here. If you just stay here and you don't go anywhere, see these are the folders. You can choose which of these folders appear, and you can customize that a little bit by going here. I have File Explorer, Settings, Documents, Downloads. Don't have music on at this point in time. This particular PC doesn't have a lot on there. Plus, I've been using, cloud music, Spotify, etc., more than music actually downloaded. It's not very common for people to actually have music files anymore, but if you do, then you can find it there. I noticed in recent years they stopped having videos on there, which I use videos, so I put that on. So on and so forth. You can select which folders appear. So that is pretty helpful there. One thing that I also wanted to talk about was your background. Windows comes with a slideshow already built in. I have several unappropriate pictures that I filter through or cycle through on my desktops all the time, and I change that for this video. I usually change to my typical background. One thing that I do like though is when you go to colors. When you go to colors, this is probably one of the funnest settings in Windows 10 and personalization that I like, and that is automatically pick an accent color from my background. So if you have your background set to uh, a slideshow and it's different pictures, different themes, different things that you like, and I'd strongly suggest that if you don't do it already, go download a bunch of pictures from the internets of what you like, using image search. Make sure if you're using image search that you set the resolution for the picture to what your desktop is. I may make another video on that at some point. But get yourself some pictures of things that you like, put them in a cycle, use Windows 10 to switch them back and forth, and then have it automatically pick a color. It's pretty fun. Another thing that's very helpful is dark mode, and that's where you can see it here. If you again, you go to personalization and colors, and you can see mine set to dark mode right now. Light is the typical for Windows, but for those of you, especially like myself, a dad or a partner, significant other, if your other has on a different schedule than you and you want to be on your computer's in your room, that sort of thing, you may want to set that to dark mode so that you're not, blasting too much light into the room. So dark mode, very handy. Another thing down here is when you pick your accent colors, tell it, that you want it to show up in more than one place. So see, my start menu changed based on the picture that I have. If I was to change that picture, then it would also change that color, which is pretty handy. And then of course, dark mode. Anyways, I hope this personalization info was helpful to you in some way, and that you found my video informative and was able to help brighten your day at some point. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share with your friends if it's something that can help them. And we'll see you next time.